Welcome! If you're looking to learn how to report a chat on Pinterest using your PC, you're in the right place. With Pinterest's latest update, the process is now even more straightforward, and today, I'll guide you step by step so you can keep your Pinterest experience safe and positive. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Messages. This will open up your inbox, showing all your recent conversations. Next, scroll through your messages and click on the chat you want to report. This will open the conversation, displaying all the messages between you and the other user. Now, take a look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see 3 small dots. This is the menu for more options. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll see the option labeled Report. Click on Report, and Pinterest will prompt you to choose the reason for your report. You'll see several options, such as spam, harassment, inappropriate content, or other concerns. Select the reason that best fits your situation. Once you've chosen the purpose, Pinterest will ask you to confirm your decision. Double-check that you've selected the correct reason, and then click to confirm. That's it. Your report will be sent to Pinterest's moderation team for review. Remember, reporting helps keep Pinterest a safe and welcoming space for everyone. If you ever feel uncomfortable or encounter unwanted messages, don't hesitate to use this feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Stay safe and happy pinning.